In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging music website using Wix, a versatile platform that offers tailored solutions for musicians looking to showcase their talents online. First, you'll need to visit Wix.com. If you haven't already done so, log in using your account credentials. The straightforward process gets you through the digital doors and sets the stage for your site creation journey. Once logged in, click on Create New Site. This action takes you to the heart of Wix's site building capabilities, allowing you to watch your creative ideas come to life. Next, select Music Band as your website type. This category is optimized for musicians, providing templates and tools particularly suited to showcasing your art. Afterward, click on Continue. This intuitive navigation aids you in advancing seamlessly through the site setup. Now it's time to design your site. Hit Design Site to begin crafting the aesthetic that best represents your artistic vision. Here, you'll be prompted to pick a template. Choose one that aligns with your style, a choice that you can later tweak to tailor fit your unique flair. With the template in hand, personalize it with a few clicks to enhance your brand's individuality. Dive into the Customize Your Website Design section. Here you'll open the Wix Editor or the Wix Studio, a powerful environment where customization is king. Begin with the home page, adding elements that introduce yourself, like your name or logo, artist photo, and a catchy tagline. Switch up the colors, fonts, and layout to better match your band's branding. Don't forget to include your social media icons, tapping into platforms like Spotify, YouTube, Instagram, and SoundCloud to create connections across your digital presence. Creating essential pages is a key step in rounding out your website. Start with the home page, offering a quick intro and highlights like your latest track or video. An About section gives visitors insight into your story, including your genre, influences, and achievements. Don't skip the music discography segment where you can add audio players and facilitate easy listening via Wix Music or Spotify embeds. Further, upload videos to a dedicated videos page, embed YouTube links, and keep your fans informed with events, concerts utilizing Wix events for ticket sales and schedules. Consider adding a shop merch page for selling albums, merch, or digital downloads using Wix stores. And remember your contact booking page equipped with a form or email for easy bookings. Incorporate Wix's music players by going to the add button, selecting music, and choosing the Wix music player. Upload your songs straight to the platform or connect with streaming services, adjusting the player look to suit your style. For a broader reach, set up a blog or news section to share updates and stories, which can enhance your SEO. Lastly, ensure your site is optimized for mobile by switching to mobile view and tweaking visuals to look perfect on smaller screens. Concluding your setup, secure a professional domain name for that polished touch. Connect it via Wix Premium, hit publish, and voila! Your music website is live and ready to share with the world. Happy site building.